Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If you're a fan of bread pudding, this indulgent white chocolate and raspberry version is a must try. Serve warm or leave to cool and enjoy as a treat with a cup of coffee. So on to ingredients. Really simple, we've got some bread here. I've just got a white sliced loaf, some lovely white chocolate, some cinnamon, some white sugar and then some soft brown sugar, 2 eggs, some vanilla essence, and then I've got some double cream here and a couple of handfuls of lovely fresh raspberries. So on to the method. This is a really simple one, this one. You want to get your bread and cut it into cubes. I just like to use scissors here, I find it much easier. So we're just making lovely cubes of that bread. And next we're going to make the beautiful custard to go on top. So this is so simple. Crack 2 eggs into your bowl. And then we're going to add the cream, that lovely brown sugar, the white sugar, the cinnamon, and then that vanilla essence. And all you're going to do is whisk it together. It's that simple. So you've got your bread and your lovely cinnamon vanilla custard there. So whisk that together, take your bread and pour that custard all over. You want all of those cubes to soak up that lovely custard. Pour it all in. And then you just want to chop up your white chocolate. So I just chop it into little pieces here, and then we're going to pop that in with our bread and custard mix. And then final bit, we're just going to put our raspberries in. I just like to chop them in half because I find that it spreads a lot more evenly through the bread pudding. Just save a couple of raspberries at the side to decorate the top. So I'm going to cook this in a springform pan. Really simply, pop some baking parchment in the bottom to line it so it's easy to get out. Pop that bread soaked in custard into your pan and just distribute it evenly. Put those last few raspberries on the top, give it a little push down, and then we're going to put that into the Ninja Smartlid. So I'm going to do a steam bake, so a little bit of water goes in the rack and then the springform pan, and then close that up and steam bake it for 30 minutes. Now you want to check towards the end of this because you don't want it to go over. And then when it's done, look at that golden, bubbly, beautiful raspberry and white chocolate bread pudding. I cannot tell you how good that smells, especially with the raspberries. You could use any fruit, you could use any chocolate, and you could use any bread.